Hello and welcome. In the last part of the question answer session, we are discussing today talk about it. In this section, some questions are given. There are four questions which we will discuss today. The episode describes the silly behavior of a rich woman who is foolishly indulgent, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly or can their action cause harm to others? So try to understand the question first. If you understand the question, you will be able to think. This is not to be written, but think about it. This episode means this story triumph of surgery. Whole episode describes the silly behavior. You know what is silly? Silly behavior means foolish behavior. And whose foolish behavior is described here? Silly behavior of a rich woman. And that rich woman who is foolishly indulgent. Indulgent. One should be kind, but not foolishly. If you love somebody, it doesn't mean that out of excess love you are harming that person or that thing. Perhaps because she is lonely. Perhaps the person who is asking question thinks perhaps he is lonely. She is rich, so she has a pet dog and she is spending mercilessly on it. She is feeding it. She is pampering the dog. And unknowingly, she is harming the dog. Perhaps she is lonely, so her only companion is dog. So, do you think such people are merely silly? Only foolish? To be foolish is one thing, but here that foolishness is causing harm to others. In this story, the story describes the silly behavior of Mrs. Pamphlet. She was rich and lonely. She loves her dog and pampers him. He became, out of this love, what happened? The dog became hugely fat, and anyhow, it was saved by the doctor. So, too much love, excess love, overprotective. She is overprotective. So, this type of indulgence is foolish. This is called foolish behavior. One should care our children or our pet wisely, not foolishly. We should follow the instruction of the doctor if there is any problem. But this lady did not follow. She became doctor herself. She herself guessed that dog is suffering from malnutrition, but it was not the case. Case was just opposite. Mr. Harriot had warned, veterinary surgeon had warned Mrs. Pumphrey about Ricky's trouble. However, she did not pay attention to his advice. So I think such people are foolish also and harmful also. Her foolishness caused Ricky's trouble. Her foolishness increased Ricky's problems, and doctor had to treat in his own way. Let us discuss question number 2. Do you think there are parents like Mrs. Pumphrey? In society, in our society, there are different type of people. So we can say that. We can say that yes, there are some parents also who out of love, they do not care about their children's health and they are giving junk foods to eat. They are getting ill that parent is not understanding the real problem. Parents should always care about health, always give healthy food only, and they should not give junk food. If you love, it doesn't matter that you will provide anything the child is asking. So, over love, over protectiveness is not good. Let us discuss third question. What would you have done if you were a member of the staff in the Humphrey's household? A neighbor? What would your life have been like in general? The first part is that what would you have done if you were a member of Mrs. Humphrey's staff? So this is the duty, this is the moral duty of staff to give good advice and not saying only yes all the time. So if I had been a staff of Mrs. Pantry, I would have told about the problems and I would have told not to give extra food. And if I had been neighbor, I would advise about Tricky's health. If I were a member of his family household, I would not allow Mrs. Pantry to give extra food. So these are some suggestions because he was giving too much to eat. That was the problem. And the last question of this section, what would you have done if you were the narrator's place? Narrator is veterinary surgeon, you know very well. If I were at the narrator place, I would advise that she should not, in the future also, she should not overfeed, because one time he was saved, next time maybe more dangerous. This time he did not do any surgery or did not give any medicine, but next time it could be more dangerous injurious to his health. So don't overfeed. You love it is okay, but always give limited food to the dog. So in this way we have finished all the question answer, and then it will be sent in the PDF form also to you for further study. Thank you. That's all.